What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Back with the Van family. Before I get it started, I just want to say I hope everybody's had a phenomenal Mother's Day today. I hope everybody's day was blessed. Like I said earlier, I just wanted to give a shout out to all the mothers that are here, as well as the ones that are no longer with us, including mine. There's Mariah, there's Casey. Welcome back to the Van family. Back again with another video. Tonight I did two videos earlier. We did the balloon release earlier, and I did the Mother's Day part one. But tonight I thought, you heard me?
Say what you gotta say.
Say hi to the people.
Hi people.
Anyways, tonight I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I am going to do a mukbang, whatever you guys call it. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
So what I have for the mukbang tonight is
Pizza.
Papa John's pizza.
Papa John's pizza.
I actually tend to like Papa John's a lot better than Domino's
Mommy.
and Pizza Hut. I personally think it's better.
Mommy. Mommy.
This is what we're working with right here. I think we got pepperoni, sausage, olive, some barbecue dipping sauce.
And garlic.
And
Garlic dipping sauce.
And then for dessert.
And then for the dessert, one of the desserts, actually more than one.
And
I think these are,
What are they, Mariah?
is it cinnamon bites?
there's cinnamon bites.
Cinnamon bites. Papa John's cinnamon bites. Never had them, so definitely going to be a first, but they look kind
And
of
this
good.
is
So
Mommy's cake.
we're going to go for it.
Oh, are you gonna talk about the cake?
We have everything about the cake, and we have Mommy's names on it. And we have some flowers, and we have some blue.
It's Mommy's Mother's Day cake.
It's Mommy's Mother's Day cake.
Mariah chose this out for her mom, so if we get to it, we're going to dig into this too, but we got the cake, we got the pizza, we got the cinnamon
And
bites.
we got you know, quench our thirst here
Gotta
too.
be able to quench the thirst, so I went ahead and got a
And we
serum
got
here, so
some plates.
we're going to dig in and get started with this mukbang, y'all. As
Yeah,
usual,
we got
like,
some
subscribe.
plates.
Anybody that likes and subscribe for me, I'm going to give you the same love back.
Mommy.
Let's dig in.
Can I still say hey?
And we're back. Sorry for the cut off again, just having some technical difficulties, but we're back. Enjoying your pizza, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. And before I forget.
This is my own.
Also, I have this jalapeno right here that Miss Casey over here is gonna eat. Let's see if she can eat the whole thing, actually. So, she's gonna come over here and
It's
do that?
really hot.
Right now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Mariah,
get
it's
some
too
of
hot.
Come on, Kiss.
I dare you to try it.
Nah, you the one said you wanted to try it. It's on you now. Yeah.
it. Come try it, Mom. He's getting
I'm
me
sitting down. You can stand up.
hot.
You know, get my drink ready? You know how I am.
Yeah, I'm gonna get her drink ready, people. She's a little wuss, so.
Oh, I'm the wuss. You want to try it?
Nah.
Oh, come on, wuss. Call me one.
You are a Orko Mickey Whale.
Go ahead.
I love you too, Mariah.
I'm gonna eat this little jalapeno, y'all. Pray for her.
You first.
No.
Try it. It's gonna be hot.
Oh, that's juicy.
Yeah, because it's weeded. It's because it's
What you
sweet.
doing over there? Turning red.
Good. I'm doing good over here.
Turning red.
How are you doing, video? Well, yes.
You right? You need something to drink?
I'm okay. Give me my pizza.
She thinks she's okay.
No, my pizza. No, I'm not okay.
Okay.
Hot.
It's pretty good pizza, y'all. By the
You wanna
way.
sit down again?
Sure. How's your pizza, baby?
What?
Tell the people how your pizza is.
My pizza is really good.
But, you know.
Daddy, see how your pizza?
I don't think they're eating pizza. I think we're the only ones eating pizza. But it's nice you wanted me to check on them.
Daddy, I did want you to check on them.
Can't really see me.
But anyways,
Hiding
yeah,
over
this
here.
is it's gonna be the first mukbang.
I'm really excited to see you guys.
I don't know. I go through YouTube so much and see so many different things on YouTube that I just figured I wanted to try it and
1,
see what
2,
happens.
3.
Maybe I might
Start
do
the
some
video.
more. Maybe not. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do a variety of a whole lot of different things on this channel. So it ain't just gonna be one in particular thing. You know, I'm always up for different ideas and suggestions. You know, whatever they may be. But you know, like I said, I go through YouTube every day, so I see so many different things. So I just
Is
want
that
to
my
try
drink?
this. Been wanting to do a mukbang for a long time, so.
Mommy had a drink and sip because mommy's mouth's really hot. I was hot.
Kind of red over there.
Hey, you doing it next?
I'm doing that, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You're next, dude.
She survived, y'all.
Yeah, for now. One of these days.
Should the people see the food?
No.
Just us eating pretty much.
Can you see my food?
We are eating. I'm not just saying it's a mukbang. I promise we eating.
Yeah. And Candace is not in a video because Candace don't want to be in a video. No, Candace want to be in a
We're
video.
gonna leave her alone, baby. We're gonna
Brian,
leave
your
her alone,
family
baby.
watches your YouTube.
So, her wants us to stay there and have some fun.
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna eat the cake soon?
No, you need to eat your pizza first.
You gotta eat your pizza first.
Can't have dessert before dinner.
Hey, Mommy, I want the cake with the blue raspberries.
Okay, you can, but you gotta eat your dinner.
Okay. Mmm.
But yeah, if I tell you what, if I were to do another mukbang, you guys shoot me some comments in the comment section. Let me know what would be something else you guys would want to see in a mukbang. Whether it be
Panda.
more pizza, Panda Express, McDonald's, whatever you guys would like to see. Give me some
No
ideas.
way. I'm
Pizza must be good. We're both almost done with our pizza.
Mm-hmm.
It must be
Me
good. I'm good.
too.
I bit my lip.
I'm almost done with my pizza.
Oh, yeah?
Even when I take a bite.
I'm gonna get more soda. I was hot.
I bet it was.
Can I have my drink?
Little wuss.
I'm not a wuss. You're a wuss. You didn't even want one bite.
Well, I'll pass.
Can you hold that for a second? I'm gonna get Marian's drink.
Did you not give me a couple bucks?
I did. It's right there. Can you?
Right where?
Up there.
Hot. Hold on, Mommy. I'm gonna go pee. I see you in a minute. I see you in a minute.
See me in a
Video. I'm
minute?
gonna go pee. Video.
You going to the bathroom? I hope everybody's had a beautiful Mother's Day. And good dinners as well as this. I know we have had a good day. Like I said, started off with the other 2 videos, went to the park.
It was a hard day though.
It's always difficult with our mom, but you know, she's happy knowing that we were happy today,
Wanna bring Mama?
and I can live with that.
I'm back, video.
You back?
Yeah. Cause I really wanted to see the video.
Yeah.
By the way, I haven't talked much about her, but this is mom. She passed November the 30th, 2019. Is that grandma?
Grandma.
It's grandma.
Hi,
She
Grandma.
what I've been talking about all day. That's not here no more. It's my mother.
Mommy, I'm
Passed back
trying.
in
Mommy, I'm
2019.
trying
So
to hold it with my dad.
this is a celebration for her life as
But Daddy
well.
won't
today,
let
you know.
me.
We love her and we miss her. So continue to rest in peace, mom.
Ow. I think that my character's falling over. YouTube, you really can't see my face because it's really low. Now you can see me.
Now you can see you.
Yeah.
I got some napkins.
Thank
We're in need.
Come here, Dad. Come here.
Mama's gonna sit down.
I'm gonna get a napkin.
Oh,
This-
let's try those. Let's dig in.
Let's try those.
Yeah, let's try 'em.
Here you go,
Let me
Mama.
tell you too.
I wish
I'm
we
not
had.
gonna,
Oh, there's icing on top.
Now
Thank you
we're
for the
going
napkin.
I'm gonna
Dig
try
into these
this
cinnamon
instead.
bites and see how these are.
Mhm.
They look pretty good, but we're gonna find out.
Exactly. Did you put that in your mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, girl, that's
Daddy,
hot.
Daddy, that's hot. Can you give me a drink?
Yeah.
That hot pepper's hot.
Mmm,
Oh, that's pretty good.
those are good.
That's really good.
Oh, so you stole one of Daddy's?
Yeah. I stole one of yours, Daddy. I really wanted one.
That's good.
Mom, give this to Daddy. Mom, give this to Daddy.
It's a really good job. If you ever get a chance to try these, they're little cinnamon bites from Papa John's.
Yeah, and I
Go ahead,
took
get 'em.
one. I
They're really
took
good.
Dad, let me talk. I took one of my daddy's. What are these called?
It's called a cinnamon bite, baby.
I took my daddy's cinnamon bites
Mm-hmm.
because I wanted another one.
Next time we should get wings.
You should.
Yeah.
We should do a wing.
But I'm not gonna.
Come
How
on,
are you
Buffalo Wild Wings.
doing, video?
Get mildest to the hottest, and we have to try them all.
Mommy, say how is
Should definitely do that.
Mommy, say how's your food?
My food's good.
No, say how's your food to them.
Well, whatever they're eating tonight, I hope it's good. Whatever it is.
Whatever it is, we hope and pray it's good.
Mommy, hey Mama, you wanna play?
We gotta
You wanna
definitely
pray for
appreciate any
Jesus?
love and support.
Oh,
that
you
I
want to
get.
pray?
I would appreciate
Dear
it.
Jesus, please let my daddy be safe in this car, and Mommy, Candace, me, and Daddy, so they don't have batteries. I want to let them know when they see the video, and I want to let them know everything will be fine. Amen.
Amen. Thank
Gotta
you.
love it. Gotta love it. Actually supposed to do that before we leave, but better late than never. Gotta love
Exactly.
it.
Yay. You gonna eat your pizza, girl? You gotta
Yeah,
tell
eat
them
your
how it
pizza.
is.
Gotta tell the people how the pizza is.
Show them the
Mike?
pizza. Take a big bite.
Okay, for them.
Big bite for them.
That's
Delicious.
really good.
Good pizza.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have this.
I want it.
Okay, here.
I can eat the left bite.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate the sharing. I love it.
I always share.
You do. You always share with me. You're the best.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Almost want a second piece.
Roar!
Yelling at the people?
Yeah, I'm saying roar.
Rar.
Yeah.
Well, don't be too
Was
loud.
that your family?
Roar!
I want some more.
Oh, good. Oh, it's really good.
You want to give me another second piece or you want me to get it?
Hey, can I have my
It's too far right
can I
now.
have my drink?
Of course you can, sweetie.
Thanks, Daddy. Because I always have my drink.
Those of
Ooh,
you who've
really?
never had Papa John's, which I'm sure most of you have, you've been living under a rock
Hey,
if
Dad.
you haven't.
Hey, Mommy.
But for those of you who
Hey,
have
Mama.
not had
Mama.
Papa John's, I definitely.
Can I let them see my drink?
Yeah, show them your drink.
What's the word?
This is my drink. Daddy, what is this called?
Sierra Mist.
This
Definitely
is Sierra
recommend it.
Mist, and it's really sour.
Sour.
Yeah, sure.
Like I was saying though, I definitely recommend for those of you who've never had Papa John's, go ahead and get you some.
Yep.
Some good stuff. Like I said, pretty sure most of you have. If you haven't, you probably been living under a rock.
Mommy, I'm
but, you know,
showing
it's
them
okay
my
too.
pizza,
Just go ahead
Mommy.
and get you some.
Mommy, I'm showing them my pizza. And show them your pizza again.
Oh, okay.
As far as the YouTube channel, it's only the beginning for the channel. I hope I hope to go pretty far with this.
That,
Like I said, I appreciate all the love and support that I get.
mommy.
Whether big or little, man, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.
Oh, you want daddy? I guess
Dad,
you
Dad.
drink holder.
How are you doing, video? I know you're great at seeing videos.
Sausage.
And kids,
Oh, you
because
cool.
mommy let me get a dress on so I don't be naked and you see me naked. And actually,
Oh, man, we gotta love these babies, man. Gotta love them. These kids have no filter, man. No filter. Subscribe, show me love. Say goodnight.
I don't want
Again, that was the Papa John's mukbang. Like I said, comment, hit my comment.
Oh, you gotta tell them that we're gonna watch a movie tonight and eat popcorn.
We're gonna watch a movie tonight and eat popcorn.
Yeah, we're gonna have a movie night.
And
but
we
do
are
appreciate
gonna have we're gonna start having some chips because I bite some chips.
Oh yeah, I gotta have the chips.
Yeah.
And
God
we
bless.
had a good day with you
Have a good
guys.
day, huh? God bless.
And
we hope you guys have had a
and
great
we
Mother's
have
Day.
and my daddy's grandma passed away.
No, my
No,
mom passed away, baby.
your grandma, sweetheart. Your
My grandma passed away a long time ago. And I hope you had a fun time with us.
Say happy Mother's Day to everybody.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody. And
Peace, love, blessings. We'll see y'all soon.
we love
Bye-bye.
blessings.